Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, something very simple. What we're going to be diving into is, again, the Nina Chanel Jordan 3 resale prices. I just got a little small size here. I'm mailing this one out today, but I have some other pairs. Again, I just forgot to drop my in-hand review a little bit earlier this week, so my apologies. But again, if y'all want a little quick up close view, I posted some pics of these yesterday as well, so feel free to go check those out. And we'll dive into showing you guys some details of these up close, stuff like that, the box with them, things like that, just quickly in this video. But this is mainly going to be discussing, again, the resale prices we currently see right now on them, where they could end up, and yeah, again, if this sneaker is one that could potentially age well. It's built very nicely in hand. That's one thing I'll say. I got my personal size on the way, so yeah, we're ready. I got my pairs I'm holding, and I got my ones that, I'm not holding, mainly like some can sign in, some I'm holding on to, some I'm flipping now. But aside from all that, the topic of this video, just the resale prices. So let's dive into that for this sneaker. If y'all want more content like this, though, more kind of in-hand review, resale discussion, seller hold videos, or just videos discussing what are some good pairs to buy right now to flip, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, I'll keep the goal simple as trying to 200 likes in this video. Just let me know y'all want more content like this, and feel free to drop any comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this pair if you copped one recently, and also do not forget to check out my Instagram down below. I'm always buying and selling there. Should be trading again soon. And also one thing I want to mention, well, I'm probably trading again now, so feel free to hit me up. But if you want to see what I got for sale, check my store. And again, don't forget Resale Vision Group. We are going to be specializing in sourcing pairs for you guys. I'm going to be posting something there today or tomorrow that is going to be discussing how you guys will be able to join the group. Very simple process. And there's just some other stuff that you guys can see there on our Instagram, discussing some of the deals we're doing first week. Retail breads, retail Nina Chanel, some other really cool pairs. And since, of course, the prices have corrected a bit on these, so instead of some of the smaller sizes that we were doing for Nina Chanel's at retail, we're going to do some bigger ones now too. But I don't want to say too much. Y'all can check out the YouTube memberships down below as well. And why don't we get into diving into, again, what these look like in hand, quick little review on that, and then the resale prices, the main topic, which, again, for reference, most are actually under $300 right now. But keep in mind, most are under $300, but not after fees through apps. So that's one of the main things I say. You might be able to find a better deal locally, or maybe through eBay, somewhere that's not going to have a bunch of fees like a StockX or GOAT location, right? So first things first, again, one of the main things I want to say about this sneaker, you guys can see we got the orange tag that comes with it on this Jordan 3, and when you flip it, again, it's just kind of like an inverse of that. As you can see, it is orange and white. So the Jumpman's orange, well, this one is white, and the background's orange, and yeah, you kind of see what I'm saying. So aside from that, another really cool detail is this kind of green suede we got back by the heel, and then also going around the toe box, the exact same color. A lot of canvas on the sneaker as well. You can see the full toe box is canvas, along with kind of this center portion of the sneaker as well. A lot of canvas, and you can see some suede right there as well. So the suede it touches throughout the sneaker. You can see there's some up here by where your ankle would be as well. And then, of course, probably one of the most popular parts of the sneaker for most people would be this Nike Air by the back. Also a pretty unique box with these. So I'm just going to set this well, I'm not going to set it down because I'm kind of got like a somewhat clean area here, but you can see the box just says 23. Obviously, MJ's number, and then we got the Jumpman in the center right there, just on the orange box. And you guys can see this is just I just grabbed one of the smaller sizes I had to review since it was going to be a little bit easier to hold and show you guys. But aside from that, still a pretty cool box. Some nice details on it, so not too crazy, but just something simple. So overall, nice little touch for these, unique box for a unique collab. I think that'll help it do well over time. Also, kind of has like a similar box material to the Paris Olympic 4s we have coming out in July, where it's kind of like a more sturdy, durable box. But aside from that, a couple other details again to discuss really quickly on these. So y'all can see kind of the style of laces we got on these, kind of these thicker, like almost they look like a rope almost. So we got that style of laces. And then here on the insole, I'm gonna see if you guys, you can see how much padding we got there on the heel of the sneaker too. Like these look like they'd be very comfortable. Excited to have my personal on the way, but kind of that checkerboard orange and white on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but kind of cool. I'll try and pop up a picture too in case that's not visible, but still a little cool detail we have on the inside of the sneaker there. Also, there are the soles of them. You guys can kind of see that neon green we got up there by where your toes would be, and then again the orange back here by the heel with white Nike logo, or just kind of that white Nike font right there as well. So aside from that, pretty cool sneaker in hand. I like the look that we got. Again, I'm a fan of these. I personally, once I get my like my personal size I'm gonna wear, once that lands, I'm gonna rock them with some orange laces for sure. Like, I definitely think these with some orange laces would go hard, but maybe I'm tripping saying that. And we also got the embroidered Jumpman right there. Got the Air Jordan on the inside right there. Y'all can see that, kind of in that funky style of font. Like, look how they did that. Way different. So pretty cool. I like that as well. Another thing, again, I mean, Nike tag. That's on both the pairs, actually, I believe. I want to show you all this. No, it's not. Yeah, I was like, 2 Nike tags would have been weird. I thought that was something kind of funky they had with them. But there's the orange laces as well. I'm going to be rocking the orange laces most definitely with these. But overall, I can understand why somebody, maybe would not be a fan of these pairs. There's not a fan of green. It's just not their style. Maybe they're not a fan of Jordan 3s. But for me, I'm rocking with it. It's a really well done colorway. Definitely one that you have to see in hand. Kind of like the Paris Olympics. Again, they don't look as good on video or with pictures, like through pictures, but once you get them in hand, you actually see them and you're like, wow, these are actually really nice and really well done. Like the material here by the heel, very, very padded, very comfortable. Like, this would be a sneaker that would last with time, but also one that would just be comfy as hell to wear. So that's one of the main things I'll say. So aside from, again, giving you all that quick little in-hand glimpse of it, discussing some of the details we got on this sneaker, why don't we dive into the resale prices, because I know it's what most people clicked on this video for. So let's do that. But again, very well done sneaker. Shout out to Nike. Y'all did your thing, man. Y'all killed these. So again, diving into the resale prices, as you guys can see, most sizes are between a range of about $240 to $300. The larger sizes are going for more. Me personally, I mean, seeing a 14.5W, which is like a 13 men's, or even a 14W, like some of these ones, like really big extended sizes, because keep in mind, 12W is normally where they extend the sizes up to, because that's equivalent to 10.5 men's, and they usually stop it there for women's sizes. They extended the sizes on these because they wanted some of the guys that had larger feet to be able to wear them as well. So I'm just seeing some of those sizes that I know they didn't produce as much stock of, right? Like 12.5, 13W, unless it was on sneakers. They actually dropped more stock of the big sizes than the small sizes on sneakers. One little fact. Wasn't the case for the MoMA website and most online raffles, and also for Nina Chanel's website raffle. That was not the case for stock in any of those locations. But for sneakers, which is a really big drop location, they had more stock in the bigger sizes. But still, I'm going to be looking for a 13.5W, 14W. Definitely going to come through and average down on some of these ones if I can get them at like 300 flat or under 300 bucks. I mean, why would I not do that? Like, this is a really, really well done collaboration. Definitely Nina's best collab too. That's one of the main things I want to say. Like, her past collabs haven't done half bad, but this is like the first one that really brings some attention to her name and to her brand. So for me, I could easily see a lot of these at $350, $400 in those bigger sizes. Not in like 7W through 9W. Those are the popular lady sizes. Excuse me. So if you want to grab a couple of those while they're really close to retail, I think that's fine as well, because I could easily see those going up, because this is a woman's sneaker. So those are going to be the sizes that are more popular in theory, right? But again, this is an extended size collaboration. Like, they made the larger sizes, so those big sizes are selling pretty hot as well. But I think if you could grab those and put them away for a year or so, a year or two, 3, I easily see those in a couple years at 400, 450. Like, I don't even feel like that's unrealistic to say. This is a wearable collaboration. Comes with a unique box. Again, extra laces. Got some unique details you don't normally see. And people aren't going to have these in a couple years. People are going to forget about them. But, the people that hold on to them, it's going to age well for them. You know what I mean? Because, again, it's on a model that is popular. I don't see Jordan 3s dying out very soon. And my screen recording died. My apologies. But, yeah, hopefully I got my point across to the resale, my prediction there. Yeah, it's just my thing. Was my phone on, like, low power mode or something? I don't know why it died on me there. Oh, well, yeah, I'm going to turn it on low power mode, though. Save some energy there. But aside from that, that's what I can say. About the Nina Chanel's, again, really cool collaboration in my opinion. I like what Nike did. Again, like, this is my style of shoe. Like, I like it. So for me, definitely happy to have my personal on the way. Might be towing a pair. No, I'm kidding. Definitely towing a pair with the orange laces. So way better in hand. Excited to finally give you guys an in-hand review. I've been delayed on this, so I wanted to at least tie in some sort of update with this video, like the resale prices, to discuss that, to maybe make it a little bit more convenient, because making an in-hand video this late just wouldn't make sense really. But I did it for the Lightning 17, so you know what, why not? Like, I'll just drop it late if I forget to do it. But there was a couple other videos we did on the channel recently, got those out first. So aside from that, that's what I can say, guys. Again, about the Nina Chanel Jordan 3s. Let me know your thoughts down below. Would you sell, would you hold, or would you tow? I'm interested to hear. So if you want more content like this, do not forget, subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 200 likes on this channel just lets me know y'all want more in-hand review, resale discussion kind of videos like this, letting y'all know where I think these could go. Again, I think these are a good long-term bet. Like, it's a wearable Jordan 3. They made extended sizes for my guys, so you can go grab some of those big sizes, because those are just going to be hard to find. Like, in a couple years, who's going to have a 15.5W in a couple years? I don't know. So you know what I mean? It's stuff like that where I'm like, okay, I see an easy bet here. So personally, again, was a very, very hyped collaboration before it released. Now the hype's obviously died off a little bit, but that's what I'm saying, you know. So if you ever to check out my IGs down below, you want to do business with me, anybody needs the Nina Chanel's, let me know what size. I got a bunch that I'm mailing tomorrow. I know some of you, for some of you guys, I'm in delay to mail that tomorrow, I promise. So you guys will see that. And yeah, feel free to hit me up there. You know, buying, selling, trading. And again, Resale Vision Group launching very, very soon. If you like on the market deals, sneakers there. That's basically what we specialize in, just sourcing sneakers, bringing you the deals. It's not a cook group or a sourcing group, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And if you need clarification on what a sourcing group is, go check out our IG. We have a Q&A there. Some tea, thank you guys. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts again on the Ninas. That's my favorite part of the shoe right there, other than the overall colorway. So I'm T, thank you guys. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next review soon. Don't miss out on that. Peace.